Welcome. These are the ways to free up space on your Windows PC. These tips apply to all versions of Windows: Windows 10, 11, 8, and 7. So let's get started. So the first method is to clean the recycle bin. So locate the recycle bin. Then go to recycle bin tools, then select empty recycle bin, or you can select all contents of the recycle bin with Control A. So Control plus A, then you delete. Then to request, are you sure you want to permanently delete this first? Click yes. Then step 2, we are going to clean the temporary files. So these are files generated by the system while it's running. So sometimes these files can be a lot, and this method will also fix issues to do with slow PC. So to clean these temporary files, we are going to run the run utility. Press Windows plus R to open the Windows utility. Then in the utility that will open, we shall type temp with percentages enclosing the word temp. Then we press OK. So this will open the temp folder in local disk C, where Windows operating system stores its temporary files. Then you can skip those files that are currently being used or not deletable, so it will delete all the rest and leave those that maybe are currently being used by programs. Can close. Now the third method, we are going to delete Windows updates. So when you download Windows updates, they are saved in software distribution folder under downloads, and the software distribution folder is under Windows. So we are going to the local disk C, where mostly the OS is installed. We are going to delete that everything that is in downloads. So open the file manager, can press Windows plus E, or you can open it. Normally you can click the file manager icon, then go to this PC, local disk C, where mostly the Windows operating system is installed. Then go to software distribution folder. So I'm searching for the software distribution. Here it is. Click on it to open it. Then make sure you are at the download. Go to the download. Then select all the files there. Control A. Then delete the files under the software distribution folder. Continue to give administrator privileges for the deletion. That will delete the Windows update files. So if you do this step after you have installed the updates, now the next method is using the disk cleanup utility. The utility comes inbuilt with Windows operating systems. So we are going to use disk cleanup utility to free up space on our drives. So the first way you can get this utility is to search disk clean. Then you open it, then you select the disk you want to clean. In my case C, local disk C. Then press OK. Disk cleanup will start scanning your local disk C. Then you have to select the first. Let's clean the system files. So select cleanup system files. Then select local disk C again to start scanning system files that can be deleted. So once it finishes, make sure you tick those files that you want to delete. So if you want to delete the temporary files, make sure the files you are deleting, you no longer need them or use them. So you can select the Windows Update downloads if you don't need them, but for me I need them, so I will not tick them. Recycle bin, select it if you are sure you want to permanently delete them, and then when you are done and confirm that you have selected, click on OK. Then to ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files, select delete files to confirm. Then disk cleanup will start cleaning up drive C. Wait for the cleanup to finish. It will take some bit of some time depending on how big are those files. The more the files, the more it may take. So let's wait for it. So actually you can use the disk cleanup as the one time cleanup tool, because you can select the recycle bin, you can delete downloads, you can delete temporary files. So you can basically just, instead of following the previous method, you can just use the disk cleanup to help you to quickly free up space or create space on your drive. So the other method is to delete large files in your system, your PC, such as downloads. If you have movies, if you have software installer files, MSI files, .exe files, you can delete these files if you no longer need them, or you can backup them. You can move them to an external backup, online backup. Then when you have backed up your files, you can then delete them to free up space on Windows. Go to downloads, then you select the ones you want. For me, I'm not going to delete any of these. So the essence of freeing space is that it creates space, and at the same time it improves the performance of your Windows PC. So if you have a slow Windows PC, this is how you fix. It's one of the remedies to fix a slow running Windows PC, because when the PC has enough space, it will be able to execute its task quickly by writing and reading data on your drives to have more room. Now the sixth method is to delete prefetch files for systems that have prefetch enabled. Just type Windows R, then type prefetch, press OK, then to open the prefetch files. So prefetch files are used to ensure that programs run a bit quickly for the user. Thank you for watching, and that's it. So you can also consider uninstalling softwares that you do not use. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe. In my next video, I'm going to be walking you through creating backups in Windows and creating system images. See you then.